Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike here in the Frugal Fixer shop. Today I'm going to share a quick little tip with you on shielding your guitar. I use Easy Slide, which is a graphite based coating, which is basically, you get it at the Tractor Supply and you paint it on the lawnmower blade and under the lawnmower deck so the grass doesn't stick to it. But it's graphite based. It's $15 a quart. And it shields everything in here, and you get perfect electrical contact from here to there to yonder with it, everything. And I tested it in another video earlier that I done last year, and I'm just putting it on this time to show you how it goes on, because last year I tested it. This year I'm going to put it in the guitar. So hey, let's get it in here and let me show you how it goes. And the main thing is you shake it up really good and stir it up good, because it's been setting and there's only about that much left in it from where I was doing a bunch of stuff. I coated a whole guitar in this last year. And there it is right there. And it come out gray and silver and shined up like a DeLorean. So yeah. But right now we're going to use this to coat the inside of this guitar and get it ready for shielding. So that's what we're going to do. And the first thing you're going to do, don't even worry about that. Tape off and clean off so you don't make a mess. That's what I'll tell you right quick. Okay, so yeah, tape up. What I'm doing is I'm overlapping this tape. You see how it's overlapping here and hanging in? That way I get down here and paint, I don't have to worry about getting it up on my finish up on the top, because I'm protecting the top finish. I don't care about what it gets underneath it. So y'all see how that works? So it's all under. And if you wondered why I'm being so careful about not getting this stuff on anything, if you ever get it on anything, you will understand why. It is awful to get off. Okay, we got it all taped off to keep it from getting on the finish. We're going to paint the inside of this one first. We got it all taped, the holes taped, the outside taped, and we're just going to get us some of this on the brush. We're going to bring it in here and just paint it on the inside and spread it out real good. Okay, let's paint the inside of these right quick. Okay, I got that one painted in and all done, and that one on the back all done. And the cover's all painted and waiting. We'll let it sit for a little while, about an hour. Then we'll put another coat, and then we'll be ready to spray some sealer on it and keep on moving instead of messing with all that stupid little tape. So let's get moving. See y'all in a bit. We got the first coat in, it's all dry. We're going to put another coat in and keep on moving. So let's go with it. Ready? Let's go. Got us a nice coat in there. Let that dry. Nice finish on the back of that. Wanted it in before I done my sealer, so the sealer could lock it in so it won't rub off on your hands when you deal with it, because it does come off on you if you don't do that. So hey, thank y'all for coming by the shop today. I hope you've seen how we do the shielding paint there. The Easy Slide at $15 a quart is a pretty good deal, and it works great. Get a good continuity on it once it dries up, and hey, it works is what we found out after testing it. So hey, you can get enough of this, do a guitar, and give all your buddies some, and they can do theirs too for 15 bucks. Yeah, another Frugal Fixer special, right? Hey, remember to come by next time. Remember this, God loves you and so do I. Can't take it with you, so hey, help somebody out, take care of somebody. Do that for me, okay? See you on the next one. Spike out.